Tokyo Stock Exchange.
Good morning and welcome to the market rally.
Right now. But next week could decide everything. So let's see the overview of this week movement and what moved market this week and what would be the major talk for the next week. Let's go into the video. This week, starting with Nikkei225, it closed near 56,800 and it is up of 6% than previous week. Coming to commodity, starting with gold, actually it stayed strongly around $4,700, which is up of 2.5% than previous week. Coming to silver, it was around $72. It is up of 5% than previous week. Comparing with gold, silver is always volatile. We have to understand this concept. Coming to the last one, Bitcoin, this around $75,000, which is 8% averagely up than the previous week. Can't we see some relief run among stock market and commodity? Isn't it? Can you guess the reason? Behind the scene, something big happened. Yes, there is a temporary ceasefire in Middle East. So oil supply routes like the Strait of Hormuz are reopening. It sounds positive, isn't it? But tensions are still fragile. When oil stabilizes, markets relax. That's what exactly happened this week. Increase in all the segment. If anything breaks again, we could see sudden spike, especially in oil, gold, and even Bitcoin becomes more and more volatile. So this is what the situation and the result as we expected for this week market movement. Then let's move on what will move next week majorly. Now here is where it gets very serious. For the next week, the talk between US and Iran could be the major fact to decide the market movement. The next one, US inflation data. The third, Bank of Japan banking and bond data update. So this is not a normal week. It is gonna be a decision week. For especially foreigners like us in Japan, watch this very closely. Yes, the main Japanese yen against dollar could react very faster based on this movement. If US stays very stronger, that means yen weakens. That impact our remittance. The next, imports and inflation will be under risk. Here you go, our next gen Invest IQ strategy. That's where we stand simple, smart and steady. Yes, are you chasing right time to invest? In fact, almost it is impossible. But staying consistent, that's how you win. So we consistently invest simply 1,000 yen weekly basis as smarter and steady way. If you follow our channel, you knew this already. If you are a foreigner, especially living in Japan, this even matters more because your savings are valued globally. That means sending money home becomes expensive. Travel becomes expensive. Imported goods are expensive. So even small investing is not an optional anymore. It is a mandatory. If you are in Japan and trying to build wealth, follow this journey. Let's all figure it out step by step. Thank you. Bye-bye.